Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I have uploaded any video, and since many days I was getting multiple requests from people to upload some more dialogues because they wanted to practice some more before their exam, and also, if possible, to practice some newer type of dialogues. So, here I am with dialogue number 63, and it is about flight check in. I have not covered any such dialogue before in the channel, so this will be a good candidate for practice. So let's begin with this dialogue. Here is the introductory statement. A Hindi speaking man is calling a flight customer service executive to inquire about check in formalities. The dialogue begins now. Good morning. My name is Louis. Thank you for choosing to fly with Emirates. How can I serve you today? शुभ प्रभात। मेरा नाम लुइस है। एमिरेट्स के साथ उड़ान भरने के लिए धन्यवाद। आज मैं आपकी सेवा कैसे कर सकता हूँ? शुभ प्रभात लुइस। मेरा नाम साहिल है। मुझे वेब चेक इन प्रक्रिया में परेशानी हो रही है। क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Good morning, Louis. My name is Sahil. I am having troubles with the web check-in process. Can you please help me? Sorry for the inconvenience. Can you please tell me your booking reference number so that I can look into it? असुविधा के लिए क्षमा करें। क्या आप मुझे अपनी बुकिंग संदर्भ संख्या बता सकते हैं ताकि मैं इसमें देख सकूं? हाँ, यकीनन। मेरी बुकिंग संदर्भ संख्या BLR 98712 है। मैं इसका उपयोग करके अपने विवरण नहीं ढूंढ पा रहा हूँ। Yes, sure. My booking reference number is BLR 98712. I am not able to find my details using this. I will help you with that. I am able to find your booking details in the system. I would also like to know if you have any seating preferences. मैं आपकी मदद करूंगा। मैं सिस्टम में आपकी बुकिंग का विवरण ढूंढने में सक्षम हूं। मैं यह भी जानना चाहूंगा कि क्या आपके बैठने की कोई प्राथमिकता है? यह बहुत अच्छा होगा अगर हमारे पूरे परिवार को अगल-बगल में सीटें मिल सकती हैं। इसके अलावा आप आप कृपया मेरे बेटे को दृश्य का आनंद लेने के लिए खिड़की की सीट की व्यवस्था कर सकते हैं क्योंकि यह उसकी पहली उड़ान यात्रा है। It would be great if our entire family can get adjacent seats. Also, can you please arrange a window seat for my son to enjoy the view as it is his first flight journey? Let me check the availability of the seats. Can you please confirm how many people are traveling with you? मुझे सीटों की उपलब्धता की जांच करने दें। क्या आप इस बात की पुष्टि कर सकते हैं कि कितने लोग आपके साथ यात्रा कर रहे हैं? हाँ, यकीनन। हम तीन हैं। मेरी पत्नी और मेरा 4 साल का बेटा मेरे साथ यात्रा कर रहा है। मैं बहुत आभारी रहूंगा अगर हमें तीनों सीटें साथ में ही मिल जाएं। Yes, sure. We are three. My wife and my 4-year-old son is traveling with me. I will be very grateful if we can get all the three seats together. Fortunately, we have three seats in a row and one of them is a window seat. So I am selecting L1, 2, 3 for you and L1 is the window seat. Shall I go ahead with this selection? सौभाग्य से हमारे पास तीन सीटें साथ में हैं और उनमें से एक खिड़की की सीट है। इसलिए मैं आपके लिए L1, 2, 3 का चयन कर रहा हूं और L1 खिड़की वाली सीट है। क्या मैं इस चयन के साथ आगे बढ़ूं? हाँ, कृपया इसे करें। मेरा अनुरोध समायोजित करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मेरे बेटे को यह अनुभव पसंद आएगा। Yes, please do it. Thank you so much for accommodating my request. My son will love this experience. That's great to hear. Please tell me your meal preferences too. Would you like to opt for vegetarian or non-vegetarian food? I would recommend kids meal for your son. यह सुनकर अच्छा लगा। कृपया मुझे अपनी भोजन प्राथमिकताएं भी बताएं। क्या आप शाकाहारी या मांसाहारी भोजन का विकल्प चुनना चाहेंगे? मैं आपके बेटे के लिए बच्चों के भोजन की सलाह दूंगी। हम सभी शाकाहारी भोजन करना पसंद करेंगे। क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि हमें एयरपोर्ट पर किस समय तक पहुंच जाना होगा? We all would like to have vegetarian food. Can you tell me at what time do we have to be at the airport? I have selected vegetarian food for all three of you. You have to be at the airport at least 4 hours before the departure as it is an international travel. मैंने आप तीनों के लिए शाकाहारी भोजन चुना है। प्रस्थान से कम 4 घंटे पहले आपको हवाई अड्डे पर होना चाहिए क्योंकि यह एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय यात्रा है। ठीक है, समझ गया। इसके अलावा क्या हमारे सामान का संयुक्त वजन 90 किलोग्राम से थोड़ा अधिक हो सकता है? क्योंकि हम तीन हैं और अगर मैं इसे सही ढंग से समझता हूँ तो प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को 30 किलोग्राम ले जाने की अनुमति है। Okay, got it. Also, can the combined weight of our luggage be a little over 90 kilograms? As we are three, and if I understand it correctly, each person is allowed to carry 30 kilograms. Yes, that can be managed if it is a little over 90 kilograms, as you are traveling together. I would also like to remind you that each one of you is allowed to carry extra 7 kilograms as hand luggage. हाँ, अगर यह 90 किलोग्राम से थोड़ा अधिक है तो इसे प्रबंधित किया जा सकता है क्योंकि आप एक साथ यात्रा कर रहे हैं। मैं आपको यह भी देना चाहूँगा कि आप में से प्रत्येक को हाथ के सामान के रूप में अतिरिक्त 7 किलोग्राम ले जाने की अनुमति है। हाँ, मैं इससे अवगत हूँ। इतना धैर्य रखने और मेरी मदद करने के लिए धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो। Yes, we are aware of it. Thank you for being so patient and helping me out. Have a good day. So, guys, this is the end of the dialogue number 63, which was about flight check in. Now, I would just like to reiterate that maybe the translations that I have used, it might sound a little too literal, but I do so just to make sure, just to give you a better impression of what is the ideal translation. But as I have told in many videos that you are supposed to only translate the meaning of the segment. Don't focus on the words, just understand the whatever is being said in the segment and then translate it in your own words. That will really ease the process a lot for you, and also you won't get nervous. If you focus on words, it is a it is a very bad sign, because then you will be too much stressed out, because your focus won't be on the meaning, which is actually what is required in this exam. You have to focus only on the meaning. Basically, NATE exam is all about translating the meaning of the segment effectively without modifying, omitting, or adding any information from your end. This is the basic definition of NATE. So just try to understand the segment and then translate it to the best of your abilities, and nothing else is required. Okay. So, and also, as you know that we have a Telegram group. So if you want, you can also become a part of it. Okay. The link will is there in most of the video description. Please feel free to connect with me over there. If you have any doubts, I would be more than happy to resolve that. Also, there are more than 1,000 people in that group, and many are active, and as and when if you have any question, they will come forward and try to answer that, because those are the most, I mean, those are people who have got in touch with me and they have cleared the exam. So now they also want to help the community, so it is a very good group if you want to get extra help. So kindly join that if you're looking for that. And anyways, all the content is available in the channel itself, so keep practicing. Okay, at least every day practice 3 to 4 dialogues. if you want to make sure that you score well above 63, maybe like if you practice 4 dialogues every day for around 20 to 30 days, you will for sure score around 75 or more than that. So you just need to be consistent in your efforts. So with this, I would like to put an end to this video. So all the very best, who have their exams in recent few weeks or months, and also all the best to people who are waiting for the results. Okay, so just keep practicing and learning, and that's all for this video. Thank you so much for listening to me, and if you like the content, then please like, um, uh, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also just let your other people know about the channel, so that they can also uh, practice the content from this channel. It's as simple as that. So thank you so much once again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.